Welcome to Side by Side Bronson. We are actually going to repair this axle that we broke on our last trip so that we can have a spare set. So you're going to want to take a pair of snap ring pliers and remove the snap ring. You're going to need to save it for reinstallation. We'll lay it down there. And then pull this off. Should just slide right off. So it doesn't look like this is just going to slide right off, so you're going to want to take a dead blow and you're going to want to pull this boot back to keep from damaging it. Might take a couple of hits. There's the end of that. Then you're going to want to take your paper towels, kind of serve as a dual purpose here. Put the end of the shaft through it and it kind of holds it up for you so you ain't holding on to it. Then you're going to clean all this grease out. Get it fairly clean. This is the new part. You got to kind of watch this box because there's a little snap ring that holds all this together. You're going to want to put that somewhere you don't forget it. Okay, then you're going to take this. You're going to take this with the ball bearings. You'll see that this is kind of cupped on this end. You're going to line it up, slide it down on there, and then you're going to get your snap ring that you had. Excuse my mess. And you're going to spread the snap ring out. Make sure it's down in that groove perfectly. Rotate it so you can make sure it's down in there. You're going to want to lay that over on your leg. You're going to want to grab your end of your part here and you want to fill this full of grease. It's going to take quite a bit of grease to fill up this area. Make a heck of a mess when you slide this all together, because you're going to add some more grease into the boot. You're going to take this now and you're going to rotate it until it lines up, and then it's just going to slide right down in there. There is a collar on the inside of this here. You're going to have to pull your boot back, and you're going to take your snap ring here, and you're going to slide it in. Snap it into place here, and this will keep your joint from coming apart like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to compress that a little bit and come back in here with your grease. And you're going to fill this up. Okay, now that we got this all full of grease, you're going to want to put the clamp back on to hold all this. There's two little edges on here you can take and you push it down with, and it just snaps right into place and you're done. All you're going to do is clean up any residual grease on here. This is a job easily done by somebody with little to no knowledge. Might as well take and fix your parts, because you have more money to spend time with your friends, just like we do. We enjoy life side by side. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Come and enjoy the times that we have together as friends and family. Take care.